Say good morning, Bruno. Happy Sunday. Quick little pocket dump. Vosteed Hedgehog. Top lock. S35 VN steel. On the wrist. Citizen ProMaster Diver. Solar. My favorite grab and go watch. This thing's always running. Keeps excellent time. And looks awesome. Got my Olight Warrior Mini 2, limited water edition, beautifully machined, very nice in the hand. Got that tail switch, it's locked out right now. You got moonlight, low, medium, high, turbo, all that stuff, and strobe, waterproof, dustproof, awesome light. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave it at that for now. And I just hope that you are having a great day wherever you are. And thanks for stopping by. See ya.